Hi, this is Mercy Upanyo Buenvenida, Chief Information Officer. I will be discussing to you about cloud computing. Cloud computing is simplest definition is storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. The term cloud is just a metaphor for the internet. It goes back to the days of flowcharts and presentations that would represent the gigantic server farm infrastructure of the internet as nothing but a puffy. I'll show you the background of cloud computing. Cloud computing and associated risks. For secure data transfer, all of the traffic traveling between one's network and whatever service one's accessing the cloud must traverse the internet. Second, secure software interfaces. The Cloud Security Alliance CSA recommends that one should be aware of the software interfaces or APIs that are used to interact with cloud services. Next, secure stored data. One's data should be securely encrypted when it's on the provider server and while it's in use by the cloud service. The last one, user access control. Data stored in a cloud provider server can potentially be accessed by an employee of that company, and none of the usual personal controls over those people. There are some advantages of cloud computing. First, cost efficient. Cloud computing is probably the most cost-efficient method to use, maintain, and upgrade. Next, almost unlimited storage. Storing information in the cloud gives one almost unlimited storage capacity. Backup and recovery. Since all data is stored in the cloud, backing it up and restoring the same is relatively much easier than storing the same on a physical device. Next, automatic software integration. In the cloud, software integration is usually something that occurs automatically. Then, easy access to information. Once one registered in the cloud, you can access the information from anywhere where there is an internet connection. The last advantage of cloud computing is quick deployment. Cloud computing gives you the advantage of quick deployment. Once one opts for this method of functioning, the entire system can be fully functional in a matter of a few minutes. In spite of these many benefits mentioned, there are also disadvantages of cloud computing. First, technical issues. Technology is always prone to outages and other technical issues. Even the best cloud service providers run into this kind of trouble in spite of keeping up high standards of maintenance. Secondly, security in the cloud. The other major issue while in the cloud is that of security issues. One should know that one will be surrendering all one's company's sensitive information to a third-party cloud service provider. The last one, prone to attack. Storing information in the cloud could make one's company vulnerable to external hack attacks and threats. The infrastructure of cloud computing required. The customer service provider shall provide an entire virtual data center of resources like network, computing resources, and storage resources. There are also hardware and software in cloud computing. The best practice to manage cloud computing are governance of cloud computing and how to monitor and to control it. IT department will have to monitor and control it so as it to be effective and efficient to process the data. There are some companies who use cloud computing. 18% of advanced cloud users, cloud focus, see security and compliance as the challenge versus 38% of the greenhorns. 80% of advanced level respondents are seeing faster time to market for applications versus 25% of beginners. 87% of advanced respondents report they were gaining faster access to infrastructure compared to 30% of beginners. Experienced cloud companies don't necessarily have fewer outages, but they are shorter in duration because of greater exposure to cloud. 57% of the veterans had an outage in 2012 compared to 32% of the novices. But the length of the outage at an experienced site was 4.6 hours compared to 5.8 hours at the beginners' companies. About 65% of the experienced companies reported higher system availability compared to 20% of the novices. The figure below is cash inflows predicted for each year in the time period covered by the case. The figure covers the benefits, improvements, and relevant costs for 6 years. The spreadsheet analysis reveals the benefits of using the cloud computing in insurance. However, the second part reveals that the maintenance gets the highest amount for it is significant to the system in order to have a smooth operation. The payback period. This means the time when the company recovers from the money it invested on the project in using cloud computing system. This figure shows that the payback time occurs in 6 years, though it can be seen that there is an increase every year except on the second year, which remains static. The net present value of future cash flow. The table shows that at the discount rate starting from 5 up to 10%, the net present value is 13.49 million. This figure reveals that the system is really a big help to the insurance company while saving money due to it being cost efficient. The internal rate of return is the interest rate at which the net present value of all the cash flows, both negative and positive, from a project or investment is equal to 0. The internal rate of return is used to evaluate the attractiveness of a project or investment. If the IRR of a new project exceeds a company's required rate of return, the project is desirable. If IRR falls below the required rate of return, the project should be rejected. The figure shows that the IRR of the company, which is 9% higher than its discount rate, which is 8%. This means that the cash inflow will continue to increase as the year goes by. This only means that the use of cloud computing for the insurance shall benefit the company. The profitability index refers to the ratio of discounted benefits over the discounted cost. It is an evaluation of the profitability of an investment that can be compared with the profitability to other similar investments which are under consideration. The profitability index is also referred to as benefit cost ratio or even capital rationing. The profitability index is one of the numerous ways used to quantify and measure the efficiency of a proposed investment. The insurance company shall be investing to a system which could benefit the company and facilitates prompt action for the clients as well. It can be seen on the table that the profitability index greater than 1 to access the project is accepted. Sensitivity analysis is also shown. For the conclusion, the data show that investing in cloud computing will benefit the company and improve client satisfaction service as well. The use of the cloud is a leap on the part of the company as it delivers prompt services, increase the productivity while having minimum expenses on the hardware and software of the company. All calculations lead to two things that the company shall have profitability index and payback period in a certain time. For the recommendation, after having done the analysis, I strongly believe that cloud computing is very useful to the company as we want to expand and be the leading insurance company in the city. It will also make our personal's work easier and customer satisfaction increase while our company gain profits. Therefore, it should be used immediately. However, looking for trusted cloud computing provider shall be considered as our data shall be protected.